Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2015 set 2 question number 28. A graph is self-complementary if it is isomorphic to its complement. For all self-complementary graph of n vertices, n is and 4 options are given. So a graph is self-complementary if it is isomorphic to its complements. Two graphs are isomorphic if their number of vertices are same, number of edges are same, degree sequence are same. With this, there are some more criteria to check isomorphic. And we know number of edges in a graph plus number of edges in its complement graph equals to number of edges in a complete graph. So E of G plus E of G dash, its complement of graph equals to n into n minus 1 divided 2. This is number of edges in a complete graph. So number of edges in the graph plus number of edges in its complement equals to number of edges in a complete graph, and these two are equal as the graph is isomorphic to its complement. So we can say number of edges in the graph equals to number of edges in its complement, and that will be equals to n into n minus 1 divided 2. So it will be n into n minus 1 divided 4. So number of edges in the graph and number of edges in its complement graph equals to n into n minus 1 divided 4. It's present in option D. So answer will be option D. For all self-complementary graph of n vertices, n is congruous to 0 mod 4 or 1 mod 4. If we are dividing by 4, remainder will be 0 or 1. I already discussed isomorphic. Just go through graph theory lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.